Hi, my dear students. Good morning. Welcome to grade 12 Business Mathematics class. We have started the fifth chapter, Differential Calculus. So, in our last class, we have learned something. So, we will continue from there. Okay, in our last class, I taught you for the functions how we will draw the graph. Okay, all of you take down your book. I am not going to draw everything in my note. So, if I am explaining in your book, it will be very easy for you. The reason is the diagram is very neat in your book. So all of you turn your book and we can follow the book in your book. Okay, so take down. We have completed up to example 5.11. So we will start from example 5.12. Question is, draw the graph f of x is equal to a power x, a not equal to 1 and a greater than 0. So we know that always the domain set is R, range set is 0, infinity. So the curve will be passes through 0, 1. That is, if we are substituting for certain value for x, that is a power 0, a power 0, a power 1. So like that we will substitute, is it right? So the reason here it is a will be not equal to 1. So for a value it will be not equal to 1. A value always will be greater than 0. Both the conditions are given. So the curve will be passes through 0, 1. Okay. So when you are writing, what will happen? Listen here. Case 1. So when a greater than 1, that's the first case. So when you are taking a greater than 1, y is equal to f of x. So a power x is equal to, if x is less than 0, we will get less than 1 value. Equal to 1 means x is equal to 0. Greater than 1 means x greater than 0. So if y value is going on increasing, y also will be increasing. So how will be the curve? Yes, it will be passes through 0, 1. Is it right? So I said if x is decreasing, y also decreasing. If y is increasing, x also increasing. So the curve will be like this. Okay. Then next condition you can take it. Here x increases means y decreases. So how the curve will be? It will be passes through 0, 1. So it will be like this. Okay. So that's all. Okay, understand? Then next problem. Draw the graph of f of x is equal to log a x greater than 0, a greater than 0. It's not very important, because of that just I am explaining and I will move again. Then we know that the domain set is 0, infinity, range set is R. Log ax, you can consider two conditions, a greater than 1, x greater than 0. So log ax is equal to, x increases means f of x also increases 1, 0. If you are taking the next condition, the curve will be like this. Okay. Then, so after that I will explain in our class also. Okay. So only two problems are there in the example. So let's move to the exercise questions. So I think in exercise, any problem I gave, some problems I gave homework. Okay. So problem number 3 and 4 I gave homework. So remaining we will do it now. Okay, students? Okay, listen. Listen here. Exercise 5.1, problem number 1. Question is, determine whether the following functions are odd or even. Okay, first one is f of x is equal to a power x minus 1 divided by a power x plus 1. Okay, so a power x divided by a power x minus 1 divided by a power x plus 1. Okay, so what's the solution is, f of x is equal to a power x minus 1 divided by a power x plus 1. So what will you do? First you will find f of minus x. So in the place of x you need to substitute minus 1. Substitute a power minus x minus 1 divided by a power minus x plus 1. So what will happen here? 1 by a power x minus 1 divided by 1 by a power x plus 1. That's equal to Numerator 1 minus a power x divided by a power x by 1 plus a power x divided by a power x. This will get cancelled. So what's the balance? 1 minus a power x by 1 plus a power x. So when you are reversing, minus of a power x minus 1 divided by a power x plus 1. Okay, so it is same as minus f of x. So what do you get? F of minus x is equal to minus f of x. So f of x is not f of x is an odd function or even function. F of x is an odd function. Understand? So how will you check it whether it is an odd or even function? F of minus x you will find. So when you are getting minus f of x means it's an odd function. So even function means f of minus x you will get f of x. Okay. So let's move to the next question. So very easy this one. Yeah, move to second one. Second part is f of x is equal to log of x square plus square root of x square plus 1. Okay, so f of x is equal to, given solution, f of x is equal to log of x square plus square root of x square plus 1. So f of minus x, what will you obtain? Log of minus x square plus square root of minus x the whole square plus 1. So what will you get? Log of minus x square means x square plus square root of minus x the whole square means x square plus 1. It is same as f of x, correct? So f of minus x is equal to f of x. So it's an odd function or even function? It's an even function, correct? It's an even function. Therefore, f of x is an even function. Okay. The third one. F of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. So f of minus x, what will you get? Sin of minus x plus cos of minus x. Okay, so that's equal to sin of minus theta minus sin theta. So minus sin x, sin of minus x, cos x. Okay, so you know already sin is an odd function. Is it right? This is everything you have learned already. Sin x is an odd function. Cos x is an even function. Okay, so what will you get? Minus, if you are taking outside, sin x minus cos x. Okay, so that's equal to minus f of x. So what will you get? F of minus x not equal to f of x, and f of minus x is not equal to minus f of x. Therefore, f of minus x is neither even nor odd. Okay, the reason is, that is, f of minus x, when you are finding time, what you got it? See there, minus sin x plus cos x. Is it right? It's not same as f of x. So if you are taking that minus outside, you got it sin x plus cos x, that's equal to minus f of x. Is it right? So here f of minus x is not equal to f of x. Same as that, f of minus x is not equal to, so it is neither even nor odd. Okay. The next one. F of x is equal to x square minus mod x. So find out f of minus x. So minus x the whole square minus mod x, that's equal to x square minus inside the mod means this also is equal to f of x. So what do we get? F of minus x is equal to f of x. So f of x is an odd function or even function? Is even function. Okay, and move to fifth one. F of x is equal to x plus x square. So what is f of minus x is equal to minus x plus minus x the whole square, that's equal to minus x Sorry ma, in this one it's not equal to, okay, that's a symbol. So then equal to minus x, is it right? So what will you write here? That is minus x plus x square, that's equal to minus, if you are taking outside, x minus x square, is it right? So f of minus x is not equal to f of x, and f of minus x is not equal to minus f of x. So which implies f of x is neither even nor odd. Okay, have you all understand? So this is all. So this one is very easy. So just we need to check f of x is equal to what you are, f of minus x is equal to what you are obtaining. So f of minus x is equal to f of x. When you are getting time, we will say it is even function. If you are not getting, means it's an odd function. Not equal means we will say it is neither even nor odd. Okay, okay students. Okay, let's move to the next question. Problem number 2. I think 3 and 4 I have given homework for you. I hope you all completed. So problem number 2. Let f be defined by f of x is equal to x cube minus k x square plus 2x, x belongs to R. Find k if f is an odd function. Solution. Given f of x is equal to x cube minus kx square plus 2x. So since f is an odd function, okay, since f is an odd function, so f of minus x is equal to, in the place of x, minus x, okay, so minus x the whole cube minus k into minus k x the whole square plus 2 into minus x. Okay, so here it is given f is an odd function. So we know, is it right? Odd function means minus you will get, is it right? So f of a odd function means what's the condition? F of minus x is equal to minus f of x. You know, is it right? So that's equal to, this one we have substituted, that's equal to minus x cube minus kx square minus 2x. Okay, that's equal to minus, if you take common, that is not common, already you know, x cube minus kx square minus plus 2x. This one according to the given condition, you know, so using 1. Okay, so what will you write here? Minus x square cube minus kx square minus 2x is equal to x cube minus x cube plus kx square minus 2x. So now you can equate the question. Of x square you can equate. So what will happen? Minus k equal to k. So 2k. Can bring this side, minus k equal to 0. So minus 2k equal to 0. So k equal to 0. This is answer. Understand? So in your question itself, it is given it's an odd function. So f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. So you can write it as it is, and f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. In that form you need to write. Afterwards, if you equate the coefficients of x square, you will find the value for k. Okay. So then problem number 3 and 4 I have given homework for you. I hope you all of you completed. So let's move to problem number 5. For f of x is equal to x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 1, write the expression of f of 1 by x and 1 by f of x. Solution given f of x is equal to x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 1. So f of 1 by x, what will you get? 1 by x minus 1 divided by 3 into 1 by x minus plus 1. Okay, that's equal to 1 minus x divided by x by 3 plus x by x. Take the LCM. Okay, so this will get cancelled. What's the balance? 1 minus x divided by 3 plus x. Okay, then 1 by f of x find out. So 1 by x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 1. So that's equal to 3x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. Okay. So this is one answer, this is another answer. Understand? Just we need to find f of 1 by x and 1 by f of x. Okay, then problem number 6. So I think problem number 6 you can do. That is same as an example problem. Take down your book. I taught that example for you, so you can see that model and you can do an example problem we have completed. Yes, same as example 5.8. Okay, will you do? So example 5.8, that model you need to do. That is problem number 6 is your homework. Take down the homework. Exercise 5.1, problem number 6 is your homework. Then 7th one graph, that also you need to do. 7th one graph, that is, I will explain just. So how you need to do means I will explain. That is 7th problem, take down f of x is equal to 16 minus x square. Is it right? So x for certain point, y for certain point you need to take and you draw the graph. That's all. Understand that modulus of x minus 2, that also same as that. So x minus 2 if x greater than or equal to 2, minus of x minus 2 x less than 2. So x for certain point, y for certain point, you take it and you draw the graph. Okay. Then same as that modulus x into modulus of x. So there also x for some certain point, y for certain point, take it and do. So same as that, all the problems also same model only. Okay, so will you do? So 2 problems homework. Exercise 5.1, problem number 6 and 7 is your homework. Please try it and check down the answers. Okay, so that I think you can do. Now we need to waste the time for the simple reasons. Okay. Next one, I will just give the introduction. In our next class, we will start the problem. Before that, we are need to learn something. So next one is limit and derivatives. Take down your book and just follow me. Limit and derivatives. So there is one definition. If f is unreal, you need to take down here now. Just you read from your book. If f is a real valued function of x, let L and B be the two fixed numbers. If f of x approaches the value L as x approaches to a, then we say L is a limit. Here L is a limit, f is a function. X tends to a. So how we will call this means limit x tends to a, f of x equal to L. Okay, so how will you call limit x tends to a, f of x equal to 1. Okay. So here what notations are given, left limit, right limit. So L of capital L, that is left hand limit, f of x is equal into f of x equal to a. So limit x tends to a minus, limit x tends to a plus. So is known as the left hand limit, this is known as the right hand limit. Okay, so there will be a small difference. So here it is x equal to a means x tends to a minus in left hand limit. Right hand limit means x tends to a plus. Okay, just you go through. We will do use in the problem. The next one is the existence of limit. If f of x extends to a minus a, x is defined only if both the left limit of f of x equal to a, x are equal. Sometimes they will ask in one words. So left limit f of x extends to a, x equal to a equal to right hand limit f of x equal to a. The next one is algorithm of left hand limit. Right limit x tends to a minus f of x. Put this one, what you will do for left hand limit, what you will do for right hand limit. This one when we are doing the problem I will explain you. So algorithm of left hand limit, algorithm of right hand limit. So this one you need to learn. That is right. This one you just read it. When you are doing the problem, you will get the idea. So when you are doing the problem, I will explain it again. So today your work is last exercise. I have given exercise 5.1, problem number 6 and 7 homework. Please try to do that and complete that. Then afterwards, this definition you need to learn. Afterwards, to notation, the existence of limit. This algorithm we will follow in the problems. That is, the question will be evaluate the left hand limit and right hand limits of the function means. We will follow these rules and we will do the problem. In that we will use. So please students, learn it thoroughly. Don't waste the time. It will be very useful for you. So in that there are 6 graphs are there. Then 6th problem, see that example 5.8 model and try to complete that. Okay students, be safe. Learn everyday portion. Maintain your classwork. Maintain your classwork. So next class we will start from example 5.14. Be safe. Thank you.